Hey guys, welcome to IBC 2017 here at the Røde booth, and I've got in my hand right here the new Røde VideoMicPro Plus. It's our most advanced on-camera shotgun mic to date, and let's take you through a few of the features. So first of all, you'll see on the back of the mic we've got a new digital switching arrangement, and what that's enabled us to do is actually pack in a whole bunch of features in a small area. So first of all of the Røde VideoMicPro series microphones have a plus 20 dB boost. That's when you're using it with a camera that has a poor quality audio circuit. You can turn that all the way down, get nice clean audio out of the microphone, and get really good results even out of a camera with a bad audio circuit. You can also then attenuate to -10 if you were recording into a loud, kind of environment, like a concert or something like that. We then have some frequency control on the left-hand side here, a high-pass filter that's cutting out everything below 75 Hertz or 150 Hertz, or you can run it flat for environments where you want to pick up the entire frequency range. We then have a couple of little combination presses. So if I press these two buttons together, you can see this little LED's turned on. This is a high frequency shelf at about 5 kilohertz. It's boosted by 6 dB. So it's great for when you're using a furry windshield around the outside of the microphone and you want to give a nice little bit of presence back into that audio signal. You can press that button there. I'll turn that back off, and then one of the really cool features of this mic, if I press the power and the level button together, all of a sudden you see this little LED light up, and that's the safety channel feature. Now, every camera that has a stereo input is a 2-channel recorder, and often we're only using one of those channels. So by enabling the safety channel, you can use your right-hand channel as a safety track that's 15 decibels lower than the left-hand side. And what that means is that you can confidently set your level nice and hot to be able to maximize the headroom of your audio without having to worry about clipping your audio, because if something unexpected happens, someone laughs really loud or something loud goes off in the background and the audio clips, you've got that safety track on the right-hand side that you're using. Now, one of the coolest features of this microphone is the automatic powering function. When you plug in the jack into your camera, if the camera supplies plug-in power, which almost all cameras these days supply, the microphone automatically senses that and turns on. So you never forget to turn your microphone on at the start of an important shoot, which can always be a nightmare, especially if it's something you can't record again immediately. When you then unplug the microphone, or if you turn the camera off, the microphone will automatically switch off after a couple of seconds. Now, of course, there's a power button, so I can manually power the microphone on or off because I haven't got it plugged into a camera right now. And there's now also a few different power features of this microphone. So it ships with the Røde LB1 lithium-ion rechargeable battery. Now you'll get 100 hours of operation out of this microphone using this battery. So it's an incredibly long life combination that you'll be able to use with the automatic powering function for many, many, many shoots before you even have to recharge it. The good news is you can recharge the battery in the microphone by plugging in the micro USB. If you wanted to remove the battery altogether and you had a rig that had USB power on a shoulder rig or something like that with a V-lock battery, then you can actually plug it in and power it purely from the micro USB. And then, of course, we also enable you to use AA batteries. The LB1 removes, and you can use AA batteries, which are available everywhere all over the world. So you're never caught without power with the VideoMicPro Plus. So there you have it, guys. That's the new VideoMicPro Plus from Røde.